guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can zoom into an object on CapCut PC. So pretty simple. You're just going to add a keyframe at the beginning, and for instance you want to zoom into the person's face, but if I just like scale it in, it's not going to focus on the face necessarily. So I'm just going to also move the position down a little bit so it focuses to the person's face instead of this part of their body, for instance, if you want to do that. So that's pretty much it. You're just going to move it as well instead of just zooming in. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!